Hi everyone, it's me again, Gideon, your favorite virtual assistant, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I've got a useful tutorial for those of you who wants to convert your existing Facebook profile into a professional page. This can be a great step if you're looking to expand your online presence, especially once you hit that 5,000 friend threshold and you still want to connect with even more people. Plus, it's an excellent way to make your Facebook profile looks more professional without having to create a new page. And also, existing profiles often gain more engagement compared to newly created Facebook pages. So if this introduction matches your search term, kindly stick around with me on this video and I'll show you exactly how you can convert your existing Facebook profile into a professional page. So let's dive right in. So guys, for you to convert your Facebook profile into a page, the process is very simple. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be making use of two Facebook accounts. So we have this Facebook account here, which is my model account, which I'll be converting into a page. And the second Facebook account here is my main account, which has already been converted into a page. So if you can see from this model account, you can see, okay, from the model account we have here, you can see it's showing to add friend alone. You don't have the follow option. So if you check on my main Facebook account like so, you can see that it is having the follow option and it's also having add friend option. This is because I have converted this Facebook profile into a page. So if someone come across your account on Facebook and is seeing an option like to add a friend or to follow, so this option comes up only if you're having a mutual friend with the person trying to add you up as a friend or to follow you. But if you're not having a mutual friend with that person, the only option you'll be getting is the follow option alone. So with all that being said, I'll be heading back to my model account, which is this, which I'll be converting into a page in no time. So this is the account. So let's refresh and see how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. We're still having the add option. So let's go back. You log into the account like so. I've already logged into the model account. Then you can go to your account like so. Then you click on settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, then you click on settings. You can also use same process when using your mobile phone. Once you're on settings like so, you click on privacy. So once you're on privacy, you get this interface like so. So you scroll down to your activities. So once you're on activity, you see here which says who can see your future posts. I would advise you leave it on public if you want everybody to see your post which you have posted earlier. Okay, so we have this option here that says who can see the people, pages and list you follow. So I advise you put this on only me because you're trying to make your page looks clean and professional. So after your activity option, we have this option which is the big deal of this video, which is how people find and contact you. So you have this who can send you friend requests. Say this is on everybody. I will advise you change this option here from everybody to friends of friends. So once this option is on friends of friends, you have this option here who can see your friend list. This is optional, but for me I will advise you leave it on only you. So you can leave all of these options like so. Once you're done with this editing, then you head down to profile and tagging. Once you're on profile and tagging like so, you have your who can post on your profile. Remember, you are trying to create a professional looking Facebook page from your existing profile. So on your profile like so, you get the option who can post on your profile. I advise you change it to only you because since you're trying to build a brand and a professional profile, you should be the only one posting on your profile so you can have an organized timeline. Next option we have is who can see what other post on your profile. So I advise you leave these on friends of friends. So after that we have other options. Okay, on this option tagging, it says who can see the post you are tagged in on your profile. I advise you change this to friends of friends as well, so that in case you have been tagged in a post after reviewing, your friends of friends will be able to see that post you were tagged in. Okay, this is another important aspect of this video, that is reviewing. That is, we have the first option that says to review posts you are tagged in before they appear on your profile. This option should be turned on. And also we have review tags people add to your post before tags appears on Facebook. This option should also be turned on. So what this option does is that each time somebody tries to tag you on a post, it automatically sends you a notification either to allow it on your profile or to decline it. So once you're done with your profile, once you're done with setting up all of this like so, then you head back to your profile page like so. So once you're on your profile page like so, there's a very important thing you need to do. That is, you click on this three dots you can see here like so. Once you click on these three dots, then you click on turn on professional mode. Once you do that, it comes up with an interface like so. Then you click on turn on. Once you do that, your page, okay, so once you do that, your page has been set up as a professional page. So for we to confirm that, we head back to the other page like so. Then you can see we're still having the add friend here. So let's refresh and see what happens. Okay, we just refreshed now. As you can see, this Facebook profile has successfully been converted into a page. As you can see, we have the follow option and also the add option. So if you find this video interesting, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I post amazing content like so. I still remain your virtual assistant, Gideon, and see you in the next video.